BMG LabTech's low-volume plate is an excellent tool for those wishing to quantify a protein or nucleic acids while using minimal sample volume. However, in order to get the most out of this tool, it needs to be taken through a calibration procedure to determine the precise path length of each microdrop site. This video will show you every step in this process, so you will know what to expect when you calibrate your LVis plate. The LVis plate can be used with any BMG microplate reader equipped with a spectrometer. This video will use the SpectraStar Nano as an example of performing this procedure. Working in the LVis tab, click on Calibration. This opens a wizard function that will guide you through the procedure. The wizard prompts you to start by inserting a blank for measurement. Open the cuvette port. Insert the blank cuvette, ensuring the proper orientation, and close the lid. Now click on the blank button. When the blank is complete, the second step is to read a cuvette containing 0.075 millimolar orange G solution. A 1.5 millimolar orange G solution is provided with the LVis plate. This can be diluted appropriately. Remove the cuvette containing the blank and replace it with a cuvette containing the orange G solution. Click Measure. When the measurement is complete, the reference value at the indicated reference wavelength will be seen. The status will change to Successfully Completed. You can now click Next to move to the next step. The next step involves entering the serial number of the LVis plate and performing an initial cleanliness check. First, remove the cuvette. The serial number can be found on the bottom of the LVis plate. Open the reader, place the plate in the reader, and prepare to perform the cleanliness check. After entering the serial number, click Measure. Each microspot is being read. There should be a very low difference between each of the microdrop sites, less than 8 milliOD between the lowest and highest value. Also, the OD for the microdrop sites should be less than 60 milliOD. If these results are within the acceptable parameters, the status will change to Successfully Completed and you can click Next. The next step is measuring the blanks on the LVis plate. Add 3 microliters of water to each of the 16 microdrop sites. Click Measure to initiate the blank reading procedure. Again, the max difference should be less than 8 milliOD, but this time the value should be around 25 milliOD. In this case, there was an outlier. The water should be wiped off and another 3 microliters of water added to each microdrop site. After cleaning and repipetting 3 microliters of water, we can try again. Click Measure, and the blank absorbance values will begin to appear in the table. This time, the measurement passes and we can click Next. For the final step, the water is removed and 3 microliters of 1.5 millimolar orange G solution is added to each microdrop site. The reagent is provided with the LVis plate. The LVis plate can now be measured. At the concentration used, the values seen should be very similar to those observed when the cuvette reading was performed, around 1.5 OD. There should also be a low %CV, less than 5. Clicking Next shows the path lengths that were calculated using this procedure. These values can be printed or saved for your records. You can now use your LVis plate, confident that the recalculated concentration of your DNA, RNA, or protein is accurate as it can be. If you have any questions or are having issues calibrating your plate, please contact us.